students, welcome back to our session. As we have seen in our previous video, there are 8 parts of speech. They are noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, adjectives, prepositions, conjunctions and interjections. Today we are going to learn about pronouns and types of pronouns. What is a pronoun? Well, a pronoun is a helping word for a noun. In short, it replaces nouns with words such as I, you, he, she, it, they, etc. in places needed in a sentence to avoid repetition. For example, Alok has nice shoes and Alok wears the shoes every day. You can see here Alok and shoes in the sentence are repeated twice. We can simply rewrite the sentence with the help of the pronoun as Alok has nice shoes and he wears them every day. Did you notice which word were replaced? Correct. Alok has been replaced with the word he and shoes have been replaced with them. Pretty simple, right? Pronouns have 3 forms, such as in first person, second person and third person. In first person, as in singular form, it is I, me, plural form, we, us. Second person, in singular form, you, your, plural form, you. Third person, singular form, he, she, it, him, her, plural form, they, them, their. Here are more examples of pronouns. I have 1 chocolate. He is nice. She is angry. It is windy. They are going to market. Now that we understood what pronoun is, can you suggest which is an appropriate word for the sentence below? Vidya is upset because dash has lost her purse. It is he, she or it. Vidya is upset because she has lost her purse. Now let us move ahead with types of pronouns. There are 8 types of pronouns. They are personal, possessive, demonstrative, indefinite, reflexive, reciprocal, interrogative and relative. Personal pronouns. Let us look at these 2 sentences. Vidya won't come today because Vidya is sick. Alok, Vidya and Shyam play together every day because Alok, Vidya and Shyam are best friends. Can we shorten this sentence without repeating the names? Remember, we did something similar at the beginning. Vidya won't come today because she is sick. Alok, Vidya and Shyam play together every day because they are best friends. Here, as we can see, Vidya is replaced by she, whereas Alok, Vidya and Shyam are replaced by they. These words are all called personal pronouns. Personal pronouns are pronouns that are always specific and often used to replace a proper noun, like someone's name, a collective group of people or things. They are the most commonly used pronouns consist of I, we, you, he, she, it and they. I and we are first person pronouns. You is the second person pronoun. He, she, it, they like Vidya, Alok, etc. are all third person pronouns. Next we have possessive pronouns. These pronouns are pronouns that show ownership, possession or belongingness. Imagine you are having a conversation with your friend and she asks, "Are these yellow pants yours?" And you would reply, "Yes, they are mine." Here the words yours and mine are replaced for your name. These are possessive pronouns. Some examples of possessive pronouns are mine, my, its, hers, his, your, yours, theirs, whose. Now let's look at demonstrative pronouns. These pronouns indicate something specific with a sentence. Assume you are in a park and you see a bench and say, "This is a nice place to sit." Here, you use pronoun this to point out a particular bench. Similarly, if bench was far away from you, you would have said, "That is a nice place to sit." Here, this and that are demonstrative pronouns. There are only 4 demonstrative pronouns. This, that, these, those. This and that is used for singular nouns, while these and those are used for plural nouns. Next, we have indefinite pronoun. Indefinite pronouns are pronouns that don't refer to any specific person or place. Instead, they are generalized for unspecific object or people. For example, somebody else will take care of the situation. Wherever the party is, Vidya is coming. Here the word somebody and wherever is indefinite pronoun. Indefinite means words that are not clearly expressed or clarified. Here are some more examples of indefinite pronouns. Anyone, somebody, whichever, whoever, other, something, nobody, etc. Now let's have a look of reflexive pronoun or intensive pronouns. These pronouns are used to refer to or reflect back to the subject of the sentence. For example, count yourself lucky. What does Alok think of himself? Examples of these pronouns are myself, yourself, himself, herself, itself, yourselves, ourselves, themselves. Here to be noted, SELF is a singular reflexive pronoun and SELVS, selves, is a plural reflexive pronoun. Now we have reciprocal pronouns. Reciprocal pronouns are pronouns that show that something is being done in return. They are mainly used to show the idea that reciprocal actions are happening to more than one person or thing. For example, Alok and Leela gave each other gifts. Here, each other show the mutual relationship between Alok and Leela. There are only two examples of reciprocal or intensive pronoun. They are each other and one another. Each other refers to two people and one another refers to more than two people. Next, we have relative pronouns. Take a look at these sentences. The book which talks about finance has been sold out. The person who robbed the bank was caught by the cops. The pronouns which and who refer back to a specific book and a person respectively. Here the word book and person are nouns. So the pronouns which refer to nouns mentioned previously are called relative pronouns. They usually appear after a noun to help clarify the sentence and give extra information. Lastly, we have interrogative pronouns. Take a look at these sentences. Who called me out? Whose purse is this? Do you think the words who and whose in these sentences can be called relative pronouns? No, because they aren't used to refer back any specific nouns. So, what are they called then? When these pronouns are used in the form of a question, or let's say when it is statement in an interrogative whose answer is unknown to us, we call them interrogative pronouns. We identify these sentences with the help of the question mark. So these were all types of pronouns. Hope you got them all right. If yes, let's test yourself. Can you name all 8 types of pronouns correctly? Hope you enjoyed this session. Thank you.